Hi everybody, it's Miss Canchola here. I just wanted to say hi and tell you guys that I miss you guys so much and I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Anyways, I really appreciated those of you who showed up today to get your workbooks, and I really enjoyed seeing you guys too. I miss you guys so much. So anyways, I'm going to start reading this book. It's called Rapunzel and the Prince of Pop, and it is written by Karen Gorman and illustrated by Laura Anderson. So let's go ahead and remembering that these are on Epic, and you can go on Epic to read books yourself. All right. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, the Prince of Pop was driving through the forest. All of a sudden, he heard the most enchanting voice. He was surprised to discover that the voice belonged to a fair maiden who lived in the highest tower of a dark castle. The prince could not see a way to reach the girl until he saw a horrible old witch approach. "Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair," called the witch. All of a sudden, a braid of golden locks fell from the window. The witch quickly climbed to the top. That night, the prince approached the tower and said, "Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair." Once again, the braid appeared. The prince began to climb up until he reached the window. "Who are you?" Rapunzel screamed. "I'm the Prince of Pop," replied the prince. "I represent all of the faraway land's top talent. I heard you sing, and you shall be my next big star." Each night the prince would visit Rapunzel in her tower to develop her act. He coached her on her singing. He instructed her on her dancing. He lectured her on her star appeal. "You will make me millions," said the prince, "but first we must free you from that awful witch." Rapunzel looked doubtful, but she did want to be free. The next night the prince returned to free Rapunzel from the tower, but when he called out to her, she wasn't there. In desperation, the prince searched for his star all over town, but she was nowhere to be found. Then, one day, as the prince was passing by a recording studio, he tripped over something. The prince followed the hair until he saw, "Rapunzel, I've been looking for you everywhere. Where have you been?" he screamed. "I've been busy," said Rapunzel. "I've been working on my second album." "But what about me?" sputtered the prince. "But what about my millions?" "Sorry," shrugged Rapunzel, "but I've decided to go with another agent." "But hey, thanks for helping me out," said Rapunzel. The prince was speechless, and so Rapunzel and her agent, the witch, lived happily ever after, and the Prince of Pop was left still searching for his next big star. All right, thanks for listening, you guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye.